Cats are often seen as mysterious creatures, their emotions hidden behind an elegant and sometimes aloof demeanor. Unlike dogs, which openly express their joy, affection, and excitement, felines have a more subtle and complex way of communicating their feelings. However, just because their emotions aren't always obvious doesn't mean they aren't deep and fascinating. In fact, cats experience a rich emotional world that includes love, jealousy, fear, curiosity, and even a sense of humor. Here are 5 awesome facts about cat emotions that will make you see these fascinating animals in a new light. One of the most surprising things about cat emotions is that they can form deep, loving bonds with their humans, even if they don't always show it in obvious ways. While cats are often labeled as independent or even indifferent, they actually develop strong attachments to their owners. Studies have shown that cats can experience separation anxiety and feel stressed when left alone for too long. They recognize their human's voice and scent, and many will follow their favorite person from room to room just to be near them. Some cats even display affection by bringing gifts like toys, or unfortunately, dead mice, to their owners as a way of showing trust and appreciation. Unlike dogs, who wag their tails and jump excitedly, cats express love through subtle gestures such as slow blinking, rubbing against you, or purring softly when curled up beside you. These small signs are their way of saying, "I trust you, and you are important to me." Another incredible fact about cat emotions is that they can experience jealousy. If you've ever introduced a new pet into your home, you may have noticed your cat acting unusually distant, sulky, or even aggressive. Cats are creatures of habit, and when their routine is disrupted, whether by another animal, a new family member, or even you giving attention to something else, they can feel left out. Some cats may react by sitting between you and the new pet, meowing insistently for attention, or even knocking objects off shelves in an attempt to reclaim their space. This behavior isn't just stubbornness, it's their way of expressing discomfort and demanding reassurance. To help a jealous cat feel more secure, it's important to give them plenty of love and attention, ensuring they don't feel replaced or ignored. Fear is another powerful emotion in cats, but what's truly fascinating is how their fear responses are deeply tied to survival instincts. Unlike humans, who often show fear through facial expressions or verbal responses, cats communicate their fear through body language. When a cat feels threatened, its ears flatten, pupils dilate, and fur stands on end to make itself appear larger. This defensive display is an evolutionary adaptation designed to intimidate potential threats. However, fear in cats isn't always about danger, it can also stem from unfamiliar objects, loud noises, or changes in their environment. If you've ever seen your cat suddenly jump at the sight of a cucumber or run away from the vacuum cleaner, it's because their instinct tells them to be cautious of the unknown. Understanding a cat's fear responses can help owners provide a safe and comfortable environment where their feline friend feels secure. Curiosity is one of the strongest and most well-known feline emotions, and it plays a crucial role in their development and survival. The phrase, "curiosity killed the cat," exists for a reason. Cats are naturally inquisitive creatures, always exploring new spaces, investigating objects, and testing their surroundings. This curiosity is not just a random quirk but a survival mechanism. In the wild, a curious cat is more likely to find food, detect hidden dangers, and learn about its environment. Domestic cats retain this instinct, which is why they often squeeze into tight spaces, knock things over, or paw at unfamiliar objects. Their curiosity also extends to human behavior. Many cats will watch their owners intently, trying to understand their routines and actions. This explains why your cat might sit on your laptop while you're working or try to climb into a grocery bag the moment you put it down. Their endless fascination with the world around them is one of the things that makes them so entertaining and endearing. Perhaps the most unexpected fact about cat emotions is that they have a sense of humor. While it might seem odd to think of cats as playful tricksters, many owners have witnessed their feline companions engaging in what appears to be mischievous behavior purely for fun. Cats will sometimes fake attack their owners, pouncing playfully and then running away, as if inviting a game of chase. Some cats seem to enjoy watching their humans react to their antics, such as swatting at objects just to see them fall or hiding in unexpected places to surprise their owners. This playful side is more than just random energy, it's a sign of intelligence and social bonding. Cats that feel safe and comfortable in their environment will often engage in these playful behaviors as a way of expressing joy and interacting with their humans. Their unique sense of humor, though subtle, is a testament to their emotional depth and intelligence. Cats may not always wear their emotions on their sleeves the way dogs do, but they experience a vast range of feelings that make them truly fascinating creatures. From deep affection and jealousy to fear, curiosity, and even a sense of humor, their emotional world is far more complex than many people realize. Understanding and appreciating these emotions can help cat owners form even stronger bonds with their feline companions, making life with a cat all the more rewarding and intriguing.